Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to our MMG weekly recap. So here we are on Friday. We're up 9 basis points. Nice little change from 9 a.m. So nice improvement. 10-year note ticking down to 484, beneath 5%. Technically, this is a market trying to find a bottom. The longer we remain above this 98.41, and you can see we bounced off it a few times, the more formidable it becomes, and it can be a basis from which rates can maybe improve and we can get off this miserable trend. The trend is still lower, so you still got to lock most loans, but for the longer term pipeline, you want to wait till next week and see, 98.41 holds, maybe grab a couple days and the 10-year note beneath 5%. Those are the measures that we're watching. Now, next week is littered with headline risk. We have on Wednesday, the Treasury Department is going to announce how much debt they need to fund the government for the end of the year. And back in July, you may recall, that's when things got sideways for us. The Treasury Department said, hey, we don't need 750. Why don't we round it off, just make it 1 trillion? The bond market hated it. Now, speaking of the Treasury, Janet Yellen is out yesterday saying that the reason yields are higher is because the economy is so strong. And it's not about the debt. That's baloney. It is mainly about the debt. Yeah, the economy, you get a good print. You can't ride your hat on that because that number is going to get cut in half in the fourth quarter. So it is about the debt. And it's going to be really interesting what happens next week when the short sellers are kind of waiting on the sidelines to see how that number comes. They've taken a step back because they've gotten hurt. It's a lot to watch. So you got to manage your pipeline very carefully, manage expectations carefully. But we got the Fed on Wednesday too, and then we have the jobs report on Friday. So next week's a big week. It may very, very well determine if we can get off this miserable trend. I certainly hope so. So listen, have yourself a great weekend. We'll be back at it first thing on Monday. We'll see you then. Bye for now.